So I'm still trying to get one of these jet turbines to hover. So I'm teaching it how to fly, kind of like a Harrier jet. But here I have this setup here at my hangar. There's the turbine, fuel tank, and the fuel pump. And then this is a computer that's going to control it. It's a software that's taken so long, and I've been working on this project for 4 years. That's a little sensor that detects the angle. So this thing can rotate on at the center of gravity. There's the turbine down there. And then there are these pressure sensors, transducers up there. So I'm going to measure the force, lateral force. And this is a computer that I actually got out of this self-balancing robot that I got. Mounted it on there. And this is the servo that controls the angle of the thrust deflector. Getting there.